Welcome back to Vantage with AI. Today we're taking a look at a brand new entry in open source music generation, AStep 1.5, launched by StepFun. And honestly, this one really gives Suno AI a serious run for its money. AStep 1.5 is a diffusion-based music generation model that can generate full songs with vocals, structure, and long-form coherence. It supports multiple languages, it's fully open source, and it integrates really well with ComfyUI. On top of that, it also comes with a Gradio Web UI for LoRA training, which means we'll almost certainly see community-driven voices, languages, and music styles popping up over time. So this isn't just another demo model. This one actually is production ready. Now, the workflow for AStep 1.5 is quite simple, so in this video I won't be building a custom graph. Instead, I'll be using the official ComfyUI templates. Before you start, just make sure your ComfyUI is updated to the latest version. Once you open the templates section, you'll see two AStep 1.5 workflows. One uses separate components, the main model, text encoders, and VAE, and the other uses a single combined checkpoint. You can choose whichever you prefer, but for this video I'll be using the workflow with split models, since it gives more flexibility and visibility into what's happening. To run this workflow, you'll need a few models. The main one is the AStep v1.5 Turbo model, along with two A-specific Qwen text encoders, 0.6b and 1.7b, and the AStep 1.5 VAE. Once those are placed correctly, you're ready to generate music. Let's quickly walk through the main sections of this workflow. The first section is the models group. This is where the main model, both text encoders and the VAE are loaded. Once this is set up properly, you usually don't need to touch it again. Next is the duration group, where you define how long your song should be in seconds. You can generate short clips or full-length tracks, it's completely up to you. After that comes the most important part, the prompt and lyrics section. At the top, you describe the overall music style, things like genre, mood, instrumentation, and vocal feel. Below that, you define the lyrics, and this part is critical. You need to clearly label each section of the song, like intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, breakdown, and so on. For each section, you can also define a different musical or vocal style. For example, you can switch between chant-style vocals, trap rap, melodic R&B, or even full-on heavy metal. And AStep 1.5 actually respects those transitions really well. One important thing to mention here. This is a low VRAM model, so you should not run ComfyUI with the low VRAM flag enabled. Doing that will push the text encoders to CPU, and in this model, text encoding actually takes longer than the sampling itself. So running it normally will give you much better performance even on low VRAM GPUs. Alright, let's give it a try. I'll start with a hip-hop rap track. This is a fun one I generated a while ago. A rap battle between me and my dog Spade. Here's the music style I'm using, and these are the lyrics. Let's hit run. That was surprisingly fast. Let's listen.
Yo, time to settle this once and for all. You bark loud, but can you spit bars? Let's go. Yeah, I pay the bills, I buy your food, clean your mess, and keep it groomed. I'm the alpha, the top of the pack. You just here for belly rubs and snacks. You chase your tail, I chase my goals. I grind hard, you just dig holes. You're cute, but bro, let's be real. I'm the reason you eat that gourmet meal. Oh please, who man, sit down quick. Without me, your life's basic and sick. Who gets the likes, who gets the views? It's not your face, it's my fluffy Snoop, dude. I nap in style, I walk with grace. One sad look and you clear my space. You think you lead, nah, you're misled. I'm the king, just clean my shade. Man versus dog. Hey, okay, you're cute, I won't lie. But I'm the one who wipes when you ups inside. Try coding a nap or building a site while you panic and thunder in the middle of the night. You act tough, but you're soft like toast. One sneeze and you're hiding behind the post. You're a vibe, Spade, but know your place. I'm the legend, you're the floof with the cute face. Respect the tail, respect the fluff. You got Wi-Fi, I got love. You bring the cash, I bring the charm. With one paw, I disarm the alarm. People come for me, not your tech. They see me blink, your views go next. I'm loyal, loving, draw 'em the free. Name one human more real than me. We joke, we fight, but truth be told, this bond is tight, pure heart of gold. You're the king, I'm the boss. Together we win, we don't take loss.
Wow, that actually sounds really good. The audio is clean, the vocals are clear, and it followed the lyrics extremely well, which is usually where most open source music models struggle. Now let's push it a bit further. This time, I'll generate a heavy metal hard rock style track. I'll set the song duration to 180 seconds, which gives us a full 3-minute song. Here's the style definition, and here are the lyrics. Alright, let's hear it.
Wake up, plug in, fade to gray. Another click, another light a day. Scroll to feel, post to breathe, but my soul's a ghost beneath the screen. I wear a smile made of wires and code, dead inside, but the system loads. I'm trapped in this silicon scans, plastic hearts and empty stands. We're gods in a cage of glass and steel, but none of this pain feels real. Live to live to burn another year, and no return. Crushed by dreams we'll never chase, buried alive in data and waste. I wear a smile made of wires and code, dead inside, but the system loads. I'm trapped in this silicon scans, plastic hearts and empty stands. We're gods in a cage of glass and steel. We are a number in a dead machine, feeding algorithms our self-esteem. Where's the soul? Where's the fight? Or is this the end of life? We are hollow. We are code. We are dust on a digital frame. I'm done with this silicon scan. Tear it off, let the fire begin. Burn the mask, break the feed, give me pain if it sets me free. Silicon scan, can't feel within. This modern life was never mine.
That was honestly a lot of fun. One more thing worth mentioning is that Step 1.5 also supports custom voices and even the ability to copy song style from reference audio. Right now, ComfyUI doesn't expose nodes for these features. If those don't show up soon, I'll probably end up writing those nodes myself. So stay tuned. In a future video, we'll take Step 1.5 for a much deeper spin and explore its more advanced capabilities. I'll see you in the next one.